Aci Farfisa is a sound industrial company working in the electronics sector, which since the 60s has been a leading manufacturer of equipment for video phone, security, access control and telecommunications systems. Effective monitoring of market developments and technological developments enable the research and development of Aci Farfisa to conceive and design products offering complete and versatile ranges. The result is a wide range of technologically advanced solutions for modern living, strictly and exclusively made in Italy, able to satisfy the most demanding modern market demands, both in Italy and abroad. Quality and service, including internationalization, have always been imperative for the company, which has been certified ISO 9001 for years, and which has 3 direct subsidiaries abroad, and is present in 70 countries worldwide, with increasing success.